So we are going to start with the topic quadratic equation. If there is an equation given in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and a should not be equals to 0, then it is said to be quadratic equation where a, b and c are real numbers. And these x are called our roots. A quadratic equation has two roots. So let's move forward to nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary, or we can say not real. And there is a quadratic formula that we are going to use to solve the question of quadratic equation. Quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These a, b and c we will get from the equation here. A, b and c. So let's move forward to solve some questions of the quadratic equations. So here our question is x square minus 10x minus 24 equals to 0. If we compare to our general equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we can compare and get the value of our a, b and c. So from here we can see that the value of a is equals to 1 because there is nothing in front of x square, and the value of b is minus 10 along with the sign we will take, and the value of c is minus 24. Right now I am not using a general formula to solve it. We will use the basic formula, which is we will multiply a with c and then take the LCM. So 1 multiplied by 24 equals to 24, and the LCM of 24 will be equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Now we have to make a pairs which add up to make 10. Here it is minus 10, so which add up to make minus 10. So we will take 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. If we add minus 4 and minus 6, it will become minus 10. So we will now break this equation like this: x square minus 6x minus 24x minus 24 equals to 0. Now from here we can see that x is common, so it will become x minus 6, and from here it's minus 4 is common, it will become x plus 6 is equals to 0. As you can see, the sign are different in the brackets, which means our solution is not right. Let's see why. It's because we have checked this middle value and it become minus 10, but we didn't see that their multiplication minus 4 and minus 6, their multiplication will be equals to plus 24, and here it is minus 24. That's why our solution is not correct. So let's see the pairs again, what we can do with them. If we take only 2 and 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, and let this be in plus and this will be in minus, so they will add up to form minus 10, and their multiplication will be equals to minus 24, which is equals to B, and this is equals to C. So this is the correct pairs that we have to use in this equation. First of all, this equation is wrong. Let's create a new equation with this. X square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 equals to 0. If we take x common, it will be x minus 12, and from here we will take minus 2 common, it will become x minus 12 equals to 0. And now we can see x minus 12 is common in both, we will take it common, x minus 12 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So now we can write it as x minus 12 equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. From here we can get x equals to 12 and x equals to 2. So the two roots of our equation is 12 and 2. In our next question, it is given that 6 upon x equals to 1 plus x. So we will send this x from division to multiplication. It will become 6 equals to x into 1 plus x. Now we will open the bracket, it will become x plus x square. Now we will send this 6 from here to here, it will become x plus x square minus 6 equals to 0. Now we will rearrange them in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it will become x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. From here we can see our a is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 6. We will multiply a and c and we will take their LCM. So their LCM will be 2 3s and 3 1s. So here it is positive, so we will minus 3 minus 2, we will do it. 3x minus 2x equals to 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now we can see that if we multiply 3 into 2, it will become minus 6, and and 3 minus 2 will be equals to 1, which is equals to C and equals to B. So that means we have taken the correct roots. So we will take x common, it will become x plus 3, and from here we will take minus 2 common, and remaining will be x plus 3 equals to 0. X minus 2, x plus 3 equals to 0, x minus 2 equals to 0, and x plus 3 equals to 0. So from here we can write x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 3. So its roots are 2 comma minus 3. Let's see the next question. In this question, first of all, we have to take the LCM of these two. So this will become 5 into x plus 6 minus 3 into x minus 2 upon x minus 2 into x plus 6, which is equals to 4 by x. If it is given something like that, then we multiply this with this, this with this, and they both multiplied with each other. So they become AD plus CB upon BD. That's what I have done here. If we multiply, open this bracket, it will become 5x plus 5 6 are 30 minus minus 3 into x will become minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 2 it will become plus 6 upon x minus 2 into x plus 6, which is equals to 4 by x. Now we send this x to here multiply, and this denominator to multiplied by 4. Five x minus 3x will be 2x, and 6 plus 30 will be equal to 36. This multiplied by x is equals to 4 into x minus 2 into x plus 6. So this will become 2x square plus 36x. 36x equals to 4x minus 8 into x plus 6, which will be 4x into x will become 4x square, 4x into 6 plus 24x minus 8 into x minus 8x minus 8 into 6 will become minus 48. So this will become 4x square plus 16x minus 48, 2x square plus 36x. So now we will send 2x from here to here and 36x to here. 4x square minus 2x plus 16x minus 36x minus 48. So it will become 2x square minus 20x minus 48. Now you can see that from this equation 2 is common. So when we take 2 common, it will become 2x square minus 10x minus 24. So now we will take the LCM of the 24. So it will become 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3 and 3, 1. Now we have to make the pair. So the pair will be 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 and 2. Minus 12x minus 2x minus 24 equals to 0. If we take, it will be plus 2x. If we take x common from here, it will become x minus 12 plus 2 from here, it will become x minus 12 equals to 0. Now we can see the answer is x equals to 2 comma x equals to minus 2 comma 12. How? X plus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 12 equals to 0. So x will become minus 2 and x will become plus 12. So that's it. So in the question it is given that find the quadratic equation for the solution 3 comma 5. So here the value of x is given and we have to make the quadratic equation from this. So in this we have to go the opposite. For example, first we will do this. Now we will multiply both the values of x, so it will become x into x square, x into 5 plus 5x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 5 will become plus 15. So our quadratic equation will x square plus 2x plus 15. The second question, it is given that find the value of x if a plus 1 equals to 0 and x square is this. So let's see. So it is given that a plus 1 equals to 0 and x square plus ax minus 6 equals to 0. So from here we can see that the value of a is minus 1 and we will put this a here. So it will become x square minus x minus 6. So the LCM of 6 will 2 and 3. As we can see that here it is minus x. So we will write it as minus 3 plus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. So it will become x minus 3 x minus 3 equals to 0. X plus 2 and x minus 3 equals to 0. So our solution is x equals to minus 2 comma 3. Here in our question it is given that 4 into 2x plus 3 is whole square minus 2x plus 3 minus 14. As you can see, ax square plus bx plus c. In the place of x, we can see that 2x plus 3, and here also in the place of x we can see that 2x plus 3. So in both we can replace 2x plus 3 with y. So it will become 4y square minus y minus 14 equals to 0. So now we have to multiply by 4 multiply by 14, it will 56. Now let's take the LCM of the 56. So 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, and 2 7 the 14, 7 1 the 7. Now we have to find the pairs. So what will it be? Here you can see that it's minus y. If we take 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and take okay 4y square minus 8y plus 7y minus 14 equals to 0. So it will become, if we take the 4y common, y minus 2 plus 7 y minus 2 equals to 0. 4y plus 7 and y minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to split them. So 4y plus 7 equals to 0 and y minus 2 equals to 0. So from here we can get y equals to minus 7 by 4 and y equals to 2. Let's put these values of y in our this equation. 2x plus 3 equals to y. 2x plus 3 equals to y. So let's put the first value, which is minus 7 by 4. So 4 will be get to the multiplication. 4 to the 8x plus 4 3 the 12 equals to minus 7. And from here we can write that 8x equals to minus 7 minus 12. It will become minus 19 by 8x 8, and another value 2x plus 3 equals to 2. 2x equals to 2 minus 3, which is equals to minus 1. So from here x will be minus 1 by 2. Let's see this next question. Determine whether x equals to minus 1 is a root of an equation or not. How can we say that it is a root of an equation? So this is given in our question, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0, and we have to tell whether x equals to minus 1 is its root or not. When we put the value of x in this equation, the answer should be equals to 0. If it is not, then it is not its root. Let's see. If we put minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2 equals to 0, minus 1 square becomes 1, minus 3 into minus 1 will become plus 3 plus 2 equals to 0, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 equals to 0. Here you can see that it's coming 6, which is not equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1 is not its root. Here we have to find the value of p if the roots have equal roots, and here it's our equation. So what was the condition for equal roots? B square minus 4ac equals to 0. Let's pick a, b and c from our equation. Ax square plus bx plus c. So from here we can see that the value of a is 4 and the value of b is minus p minus 2 and the value of c is 1. Put this value in this equation. So it will become minus b square minus p minus 2 square minus 4 into a into c. So it's square, so this minus will become plus and it will be written as p minus 2's whole square minus 4 4s are 16 equals to 0. So a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 16 equals to 0. So from here we can write p square plus 4 minus 4p minus 16 equals to 0. Here plus 4 and here it's minus 16, so they will become minus 12 equals to 0. If we take the LCM of 12, 2 6 are 3 2s are 2 1s are 3 2s are 6 and 2. The pair are minus 6p plus 2p minus 12 equals to 0. So if we take p common, it will become p minus 6 plus p minus 6 equals to 0. P plus 2 and p minus 6 equals to 0. From here we get the value of p are minus 2 and 6. So here in our question it is given that under root x upon x minus 3 plus under root x minus 3 upon x, which is equals to 5 by 2. So we will assume x upon x minus 3 as y. Under root x upon x minus 3 is equals to y. So it will become, and we can write x minus 3 upon x whole under root equals to 1 upon y. So our equation will become y plus 1 upon y equals to 5 by 2. If we take the LCM, it will become y square plus 1 upon y equals to 5 by 2. Y square plus 1 equals to 5y whole multiplied by 2. This can be write as 2y square plus 2 equals to 5y. 5y is here, it is in plus, we will bring it here, it will become minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. So now we have to take the LCM of 2 to the 4. So their LCM will become 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 equals to 0. As you can see, it's getting difficult to take the LCM, so we will use the quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So the value of our a is 2, b is minus 5 and c is 2. Put the values here. Minus b, minus of minus 5 will become 5 plus minus under root b square minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16 upon 2 into a is 4. So this will become 5 plus minus under root 9 by 4. Now we will split it into two parts. 5 under root 9 is 3, so we can write it as 5 plus 3 by 4 comma 5 minus 3 by 4. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 4 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 4, which means the value of y are y equals to 2 comma 1 by 2. Now we will put these values of y where we have assumed the x, which means y is equals to under root x upon x minus 3. So let's put the 2 first. So it will become 2 under root x upon x minus 3. When we remove the under root from here, it will become the square at that side. So 2's square is 4 equals to x upon x minus 3. X minus 3 will goes to multiply. 4 into x minus 3 equals to x. So 4 into x is 4x minus 12 equals to x. Minus 12 goes from here to here and x comes here. 4x minus x equals to 12. 3x equals to 12. X equals to 4. And just like that, if you put the value of y as 1 by 2, (1 by 2) equals to under root x upon x minus 3. So if we remove the under root, it will become square. So 1 by 2 the square is equal to x upon x minus 3. 1 by 4 equals to x upon x minus 3. X minus 3 will goes here and 4 will goes here. X minus 3 equals to 4x. Now we will bring x here. So 4x minus x equals to minus 3. 3x equals to minus 3. It will become x equals to minus 1. So the values of x are 4 comma minus 1. In the next question, we will do the same substitution. We will assume x by 5 equals to y and under root 5 upon x will be equals to 1 upon y. So we can write it as 3 into y plus 3 into 1 upon y equals to 10. So it will become 3y plus 3 upon y equals to 10. Now we will take the LCM. It will become 3y square plus 3 upon y equals to 10. We can write it as 3y square plus 3 equals to 10y. Now bring this 10y here, minus 10y plus 3 equals to 0. So multiply this and take the LCM. 3 3s are 9. So as you can see, again we are not getting the right answer from here, so we will use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So our a is 3, b is minus 10 and c is 3. So minus of minus 10 will become plus 10 plus minus under root b square, which is 100, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 upon 2 into 3 will become 6. So 100 minus 36 will become 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6, 64. 10 plus minus under root 64 by 6. So under root 64 is 8 upon 6. So 10 plus 8 upon 6 and 10 minus 8 upon 6. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 by 6 and 2 by 6. 6 is 18 and 1 by 3. So the values of y's are 3 comma 1 by 3. So what we have assumed y as under root x by 5. So put the values. 3 equals to x by 5 and 1 by 3 equals to x by 5. If we remove the under root, it will become a square. 3's square is 9, and here we will do the same. 9 5s are 45 and 5 into 1, 5 by 9. So we got the two values of x that are 45 and 5 by 9. In this question, it is given that 2x plus 3's whole square is equals to 81. So what will you do? Expand this? No, we will not expand this whole square. We will simply send this square to under root. So it will become under root 81 is 9. So we can write it as 2x is equals to 9 minus 3. So 2x will be equals to 6 and x equals to 3. Our second question, x to the power 4 plus x square minus 3. X to the power 4 plus x square minus 3 equals to 0. So we will assume x square as y. So we can write x to the power 4 as y square and x square as y minus 3 equals to 0. So x square minus y square minus 3y plus y minus 3 equals to 0, and we can write it as, if we take the y common, y minus 3 plus y minus 3 equals to 0, y plus 1 and y minus 3 equals to 0. So it will become y equals to minus 1 comma 3. So we have assumed x square as y. So let's see, x square equals to minus 1 and x square and x square is equal to 3. So we can not solve the root values in minus, so this one will be rejected. We will take only x equals to under root 3 as our answer. In our last question, it is given that 9 into x square plus 1 by x square minus 9 into x plus 1 by x minus 52 equals to 0. So how we will take or substitute the values in this? So we will assume x upon x plus 1 equals to y. Now we will square it on both the side. So it will become a square plus b square plus 2 a into b equals to y square. It will become x square plus 1 by x square equals to plus 2 equals to y square, and we can write it as x square plus 1 by x square equals to y square minus 2. So we can substitute these values as this y square minus 2. So let's substitute these values. It can be written as 9 into y square minus 2 minus 9y minus 52 equals to 0. So open the bracket, it will become 9y square minus 18 minus 9y minus 52. So both are in minus, so they will add up to form 70. 9y square minus 9y minus 70 equals to 0. So now we will multiply these two and take their LCM. 7 9s are 63, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 3 1s are 0, 3 5s are 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are and 7 1s are. So let's try the combinations. 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 and 35, if we subtract them, they will not become minus 9y. So let's think of the other pairs. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, and 7 3s are 21. Yes, that's our pair. So if we take minus 30y plus 21y minus 70 equals to 0, from here we can see that we can take common 3y. It will left with 3y minus 10, and we can take common here is 7. 3y minus 10 equals to 0. 3y plus 7 into 3y minus 10 equals to 0. So from here we can write it as y equals to minus 7 by 3 and y equals to 10 by 3. Let's put these values of y in our x, which is x plus 1 by x equals to y. So x plus 1 by x equals to minus 7 by 3 and x plus 1 by x equals to 10 by 3. Now if we take the LCM of the x, it will become x square plus 1 by x equals to minus 7 by 3 and x square plus 1 upon x equals to 10 by 3. Let's cross multiply them. 3x square plus 3 equals to minus 7x and 3x square plus 3 equals to 10x. Bring them on the one side. We can write them as, if we multiply this 3 3s are 9 and the LCM of 9 can be written as 3 and 3, and here it's 7. So we have to use the quadratic formula. Minus of b means minus 7 plus minus under root b square minus 3 3 is a 9, 9 4 is a 36 upon 2a, 2 into 3. So it will become plus minus under root 9 minus 3 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 6, which is equals to minus 7 plus minus under root 13 by 6. And here 3 3s are 9, and we can solve it as minus 9x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. 3x will be common, minus 3 minus 1 plus minus 3 equals to 0. 3x minus 1 and x minus 3 equals to 0. So x will become 1 by 3 and 3. So we have got the 4 values of x: 1 by 3 and 3, minus 7 plus under root 13 by 6 and minus 7 minus under root 13 by 6.